In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step what to do if you fail an exam in nursing school. I promise, friend, it's not the end of the world, and you can be successful in nursing school even if you fail an exam. I see it all the time. So hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, and let's dive in. So the first step, and really the most important step of this whole process, is to avoid freaking out and making it mean that you're a failure. This is crucial, friend. I see this happen all the time. Nursing students fail an exam and then they give up on studying the rest of the term because they don't think that they can pass now. This is not true. Do not quit on yourself. Just because you had one setback doesn't mean that the world is ending. So don't freak out and tell yourself that you're a failure and that you'll never become a nurse. That is not helpful for you. Instead, change the story that you're telling yourself. Instead of saying, I'm a failure, I'll never pass nursing school now, tell yourself, that was a tough test and I'll do better next time. If you stay stuck in anxiety and worry and overwhelm, you won't be productive when you're studying for your next exam. So switch up that story that you're telling yourself and don't make it mean that you're a failure. Now, step number 2 is to take about an hour and write out your whole study process for how you studied for that exam. Now list out everything you did, from taking notes in class to reading the textbook to making flashcards. Write out everything you did to study for that exam. Then you're gonna go down that list and figure out which ones helped you the most. Did you notice that you learned better by teaching someone else or doing flashcards? Or maybe you found that your instructor tested you on things from lecture class rather than from the textbook. Now make a note of the things that helped you most on that exam and the things that didn't. That way you'll have a better plan for how to study for your next exam. Now if you're not sure how to best study in nursing school, make sure to download our nursing school study checklist where I walk you through step by step how to study in nursing school. It will be really helpful for you as you go through school. Now the link is in the description for you to get it. Now the next step is crucial, so do not skip it. But before we dive in, I want to give a shout out to Jessica for our YouTube comment of the week, which says, thank you so much. This helped me so much. I've been struggling with how and what to study. I can't wait to see the ATI video. I am so happy that our videos helped you, Jessica, and thank you for your sweet comment. If you're wondering what video she's referring to, it's this one right here where I walk you through how to succeed on your ATI exams in nursing school. So if your nursing school uses ATI, you definitely don't want to miss that video. And keep your comments coming, friend. They always make me smile. Now let's talk about the next thing that you'll need to do if you fail an exam in nursing school. And that is to meet with your instructor and go through your exam and your study process with them. It is really vital that you do this for 3 reasons. Number 1, it shows your instructor that you care about being the best nurse you can be, and that can go a long way since they're in charge of your final grade after all. Reason number 2, they can help you fine-tune your study process and help you be more successful on your next exam. And reason number 3, if they allow you to go back through your exam with them, you can figure out why you got those questions wrong, and you'll be a lot more prepared for your next exam and your cumulative final exam. So meet with your instructor and talk through your study process with them and see if they have any input. Ask them if there's something else you should be doing to help you be more successful on your exams. Since it's their class, they know how to study best for their exams. So definitely take their advice. Some of the best study strategies that our NursingSOS members use are focusing on reading the sections of your book that your professors talk about in class, recording and listening to lectures again, making flashcards, answering NCLEX style questions and going through the rationales, and then going through the videos inside our NursingSOS membership community, along with printing out and using our study guides. So those are some good study strategies to try if you're not sure how to study better. Now, when you meet with your instructor, you'll also want to ask if you can go over your exam with them to see why you got the questions wrong that you did. Now, don't worry if your school doesn't allow this. Some schools don't, and that's okay. But if you can, it's super beneficial because you'll be able to find out why you got those questions wrong and then get the rationales for it. Now this will help you be more prepared for your next exam as well as for your final exam. So if your instructor lets you do this, do not skip it. It is super great way to study. Now in the next video, I'm going to give you a game plan on how to deal with bullying in nursing school. This is a highly requested video, unfortunately, because a lot of students are dealing with this. So don't miss the next video. And don't forget to download your free nursing school study checklist where I walk you through the study strategies that I use to get straight A's through nursing school. Now, the link is down below in the description for you to get it. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And click on one of these videos right over here so you can keep rocking nursing school and go become the nurse that God created only you to be. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Take care. Bye-bye.